Germany has a lot of opportunities and they are massively and currently recruiting. If you watched a previous video that I shared sometime last week, and I will link it up here, you will see and remember that I shared opportunities and I say that Germany is currently having a lot of shortage, whether you're skilled or unskilled, and they are really looking for overseas workers and immigrants to move to Germany to work. And I know in previous years, the German government has been very strict on matters immigration, and that is why the government is very keen right now, and it is actually streamlining the immigration processes to ensure that each and everyone is given a fair chance to relocate to Germany, as long as you fall under the categories that are under the shortage occupation list. So today I want to share with you an opportunity where you can move to Germany and look for work while you're in Germany. And I want to present this opportunity because it is a visa that Germany recently launched called the Job Seekers Visa, where you can get to Germany and look for work while you're in Germany. If you're coming across my video for the first time, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Like and share these videos to help me grow this community. My name is Kendi. I share information on matters relocating abroad through jobs with visa sponsorships to study or for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for all the messages you've sent me over the previous 1 week. I have been unwell, very unwell. As even you can tell right now, I am not okay, but I am at least better. I thank God for the gift of health. And I think actually the burnout has been real because over the last 2 months, I've been producing video on a daily basis. But that is why I am here to share this information with you. If Germany is one of the countries that you're eyeing a lot and you want to move to Germany, then I'll tell you this is a route, or the job seeker route visa is what you should be looking out for. I know some of us really do not want to move to other countries. You just have your eyes fixed on some specific countries, and that is why most of the time when I see countries like Germany and Ireland are massively recruiting, I want to share with you opportunities that can help you to move when there is massive recruitment, because the higher the chances of you getting jobs and migrating to these places. The job seeker route visa, or the job seeker visa, allows you to move to Germany for 6 months, and for those 6 months you look for a job in Germany. And if you get a job in Germany under those 6 months, you will move, or you will call and invite your family to move to Germany with you. The good thing about the job seeker visa is not just like any other visa where you look for opportunities while you're in your home country. This job seeker visa that the German embassy introduced allows you to move to Germany. So what you do is you just apply. You do not actually need any IELTS or any English proficiency test. You do not need to sit for any English proficiency test. And also, the only thing that is required for you to get to the job seeker visa, mostly you need proof of funds to show, and they are not a lot because I'll be sharing with you how much is required. You just need to show that over the period of 6 months that you'll be in Germany, you'll be able to take care of yourself from food and accommodation. And you know, with this you can get Airbnb, or you can get someone to host you for the 6 months that you'll be there. So guys, these are very good routes because they allow you to move. You get this visa, the job seeker visa, as long your skills allow you to apply for this visa, and in the fields that are skills that are in the shortage occupation list in Germany, you move to Germany and then you look for work while you're in Germany. Then once you get your work, before the 6 months elapses, you invite your family to live and work with you in Germany. I feel these are very good opportunities because most of the time these are the kind of opportunities most of the people are looking out for. So the German government is looking for you if you know you have skills. And I want to share my screen with you because I want to show you what is required of you and what the German government wants. I'll be also sharing with you the screen and telling you how you can convert your degree, or how you can, your degree or your qualification are in standard with the German government. So let us see what the German government requires for you so that you get the job seeker and apply for the job seeker visa, and what your degree, or how you can convert your degree, or how you will know that your degree will really be able to help you get and secure employment in Germany once you land in Germany. So this is the website that you're going to look at, and I'm going to link all the websites on the description box. So the job seekers visa, the German government is telling you what is required of you, or how you know you're eligible to apply for the job seekers visa. With this visa for the purpose of the job, accordance with Section 20 on the Resident Act, you'll improve your chances of making contact with German employers and finding a job in Germany that matches your qualification. What are the requirements to receive a visa for job seekers? You are able to provide proof of vacation or academic training. That means you should be actually have qualifications. Your qualifications are recognized in Germany or an equivalent to a German degree or diploma. If you're seeking employment in regulated profession, e.g. in healthcare, a professional practice permit is mandatory. If you have completed mandatory vacation training, if so, you must provide proof of possessing the German language skills required for the job you are seeking for. You are able to prove that you can cover your cost of living since you are not able to enter into remunerated employment during the time. That means, or what they're saying is, for the period of 6 months, that this visa is 6 months long. So for the period of that 6 months, you should be able to show that for the 6 months that you'll be in Germany looking for work, you can sort yourself in matters food and accommodation and everything you need, because as at that point you do not have any salary or remuneration to help you to move to Germany. So all the information that you need is actually on this page. I want you guys, as I say always, come on this page, read as much as you can, know what opportunities that the job seeker visa offer, and you can learn all that, because they're saying if you found employment that is in line with your qualification, you will now apply for the EU blue card. You definitely I've talked about the EU blue card for a very long time, because, and I've said, yeah, if you have the EU blue card, you are allowed to work in the 21 or 25 countries that are there in the EU, that is the European Union. So if these are the kind of opportunities you're looking out for, I'll tell you to come on these pages, learn as much as possible, and they're even giving you directions on how you can apply and where you can apply for this job. So guys, if you have been in Germany for quite a very long time, these are the kind of places you should be looking for information from. And then let us look for information on Anabin. So Anabin is the information applies to EU blue card and others, as well as job seekers who apply for a national visa and need to find out whether their foreign university degree is compatible to a German university degree or diploma and therefore acceptable in Germany. So even this document is explaining, or this Anabin, it is an embassy, it is a document that is drafted by the Embassy of the Federal Republic of Germany, and it allows you, or it is explaining how you know that your degree or your diploma is recognized in Germany. So it has also all the information that you need to know that your diploma will allow you to live or to get work in Germany, so that by the time you're deciding to do or to apply for this job seekers visa, you know that once you land in Germany, the chances of you getting a job because your degree or diploma is recognized are quite high. So all the information that you need to do, how do you go about to research whether your degree or your diploma is recognized, they are giving you information on how to do that and the websites that you can check. So guys, these are very good opportunities. If you're really looking for opportunities to move to Germany, I'll tell you to look and read on these documents, because I feel they'll help you to know the ins and outs on how to secure these jobs, because there are a lot of jobs and the German government is really looking for overseas workers, and they do not even have the limitations right now of whether you know German or you do not know the German language, because their employers are also looking for people who are just English speaking if you come from an English speaking country. So guys, that is what I wanted to share with you. If you're coming across my video for the first time, remember to like, share this video to help me grow this community, subscribe, and also if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Remember, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you're notified, and I upload each and every day at 12 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, be safe and bye.